I should say I should
Hi, I'm Breanna. I'm an Inland Empire-based freelance hairstylist, more specifically Moreno Valley area. And I'm here, doing this versatile natural weave, I guess you can call it. We left the perimeter out. Tana wanted more of a protective style, more versatility for her modeling so that she could keep her hair nice and protected but still have her same natural look. So we left the perimeter out so that she can do updos, and she was really interested in having the ability to wear two different ways. So we have a middle part, and then we also have another part for a side part. We did a little flip over action going here so that she could have two natural parts with her hair out in the middle. And this is the finished product before the blending, and she's just going to do a twist out with some Eco Styler gel to mimic the texture of this hair, which is very beautiful, by the way, very soft. So yeah, this is what we have so far. This is my new favorite weave.